Alright, my 2016 Fiat 500e has a burnt out headlight. I'm going to show you how to replace the bulb. First thing you need to do is pop the hood. To pop the hood, there's a little red lever right here with the picture of a hood. You just pull that. You lift up, there's a little yellow lever, you pull it and you lift. Right here. And now your hood is up. So, behind the light, right back here, I don't know if you, okay, right back in here, there's a little round handle. You want to twist it counterclockwise and take it off. You can see. So that's what you took off. All right, so you reach down, you grab the bulb, and you twist it counterclockwise again. And pull the bulb out. For this car, it's a Sylvania 9012. I'm using the basic bulb because it's the one that's most like the original and it lasts the longest. You can upgrade your bulbs and put in brighter ones, but if you do that, you want to do both the left and the right. I'm just going to replace the bulb that's burnt out. So there's a clip. Okay, so you see what we're getting here?
Yeah.
There's a clip right here. You pull that out and take off the bulb like that. You take the new bulb, clip it in place, push till it clicks. There you go. So you push it in, get it in the holes, turn it clockwise. Now it's in. You take this cap, you put it back over the hole. And you screw it on. And now as you can see, the light is on. Both lights are working. So the light bulb costs about $23, so for $23 you can replace a light bulb. Alright, and there now you can see the lights both work, and since I use the basic bulb, it's the exact same brightness as the other. If you're going to upgrade your bulb, you probably want to do both, otherwise you'll have one that's brighter than the other. Alright, hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.